Orange County Homeowners, is your roof ready for an upgrade? Richard here with Jay's Roofing and Services. Don't wait until the damage is done. Take action now and protect your home with our new roof built to last. We specialize in complete roof replacements with competitive pricing and flexible payment options, making your new roof affordable and built to last. Our roof replacement program takes care of everything, including working directly with your insurance company to help you secure the proper funding without the headache. Whether you need a quick 30-minute assessment or a detailed consultation, we offer free, no-obligation roof assessments to help you make the right decision. Our process is smooth and stress-free. From insurance claims to installation, we're with you every step of the way to ensure you get the roof you need when you need it. With Jay's Roofing and Services, you'll get a durable, high-quality roof that protects your home for years to come. Press Learn More below to schedule your free 30-minute roof assessment today and get the roof your home deserves.